In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and media in Obsidian. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a file in your vault and display it cleanly inside a note using simple markdown. Start by opening Obsidian. Give it a moment to load your vault, then decide where this image should live. Click the folder or the specific note where you want to work. Keeping media in a dedicated folder can make your vault easier to manage, but choose whatever location makes sense for your setup. Next, in the File Explorer pane inside Obsidian, right-click the folder you selected. From the menu that appears, choose Show in System Explorer. This opens your operating system's file browser directly to that folder inside your vault, which is the safest place to add files so Obsidian can index them correctly. In the file browser window that opens, click into the folder you just revealed. Now paste the image you want to use into this folder. You can copy it from wherever it currently lives and paste it here, or move a copy so you keep your original elsewhere. Obsidian recognizes common formats like PNG and JPG, and placing the file in your vault ensures it stays linked even if you sync or move the vault later. A quick tip: give your image a clear, simple file name without special characters and keep the extension visible, like .png or .jpg, so you can reference it accurately. With the image in place, switch back to Obsidian. Open the note where you want the image to appear and place your cursor at the exact spot you want it. Now type the markdown for an image. Start with an exclamation mark, then square brackets for the alt text, then parentheses for the file name. For example, type exclamation mark, open square bracket, write a short description like image, close square bracket, then open parenthesis and type the image name exactly as it appears in the folder, including the file extension, and close the parenthesis. As you begin typing the file name, Obsidian often suggests matches. Accept the suggestion to avoid typos. The alt text is helpful for accessibility and also serves as a fallback label. When you finish the line, your image should appear in the note. If it doesn't, double-check the spelling, the extension, and that the file is inside the folder you targeted earlier. The same workflow applies to most media files. Place the file in your vault first, then reference it with the proper name so Obsidian can render or link it reliably. That's it. Simple, organized, and repeatable. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.